What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's Lydia, and welcome to day 8 of CURLSMAS. If you don't know what CURLSMAS is, I'm posting curly hair videos every single day leading up until Christmas. And if you haven't seen any of my other CURLSMAS videos so far, I'll link a playlist down below so you can have a little mini marathon. But as you can see from the title, I'm going to be trying out the BODYWORKS Split End Repair Mask, specifically the Almond Marshmallow one, or the one that's part of the Almond Marshmallow collection. In my previous Black Friday / Cyber Monday haul, I told you guys to recommend which products I should try out first, and a lot of y'all were like, sis, we want to see a review on this. I've heard such good things about it, and some of y'all had said you've tried it and you said it's amazing, so I can't wait to get this on my curls. And I know during my Black Friday haul I bought a hothead, the little hothead deep conditioning cap, but for today's video I think I'm gonna hold off on trying that for this video just because I want to see how well this works on its own without the hothead cap, and then maybe I can use the hothead cap with the deep conditioner I'm already used to and whatnot. That way I can see how effective it is. But using a new deep conditioning cap with a new deep conditioner, I feel like I won't really be able to tell how well the deep conditioner works, so just wanted to let you guys know ahead of time. But enough with my rambling, let's go ahead and hop in the shower and get to using this bad boy. So I already went ahead and cleansed my hair, and we're just going to jump right into it. I'm taking the hair mask, and it's like this beautiful creamy consistency. It's not too liquidy and it's not too heavy and thick. It's like that perfect creamy consistency where I really felt like it was penetrating my hair, which I liked. And mind you guys, I didn't detangle my hair one bit before applying this hair mask, and my fingers were just gliding right through. Like, let's run that back. Gliding right through. So I was just so pleased and so happy about that. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep on applying it to my hair and all that jazz. So now let's get into the details about this hair mask. Mind you, this video is not sponsored whatsoever, but these are the first 5 ingredients, and I'm really happy that it's an almond marshmallow hair mask and the almond oil is at least in the first 5 ingredients. Now the marshmallow root part, that's like maybe 2 or 3 ingredients after, which isn't too bad. It's still towards the top. And then in terms of the claim, it basically says it works in minutes to transform hair and prevent additional damage, and it says to use weekly to strengthen hair, which lessens breakage and experience fewer split ends. So this mask isn't going to actually repair the split ends that you already have. I've mentioned it plenty of times. You have to cut your hair for that. But what it will do is it's supposed to really strengthen and kind of just improve the overall health of your hair. But now I'm just going to let this sit in my hair for about 30 minutes or so. I'm going to shower, let it sit for a little bit, and then come back in the shower once we're all done. Clearly now it's been about 30 minutes. I'm trying to figure out how to show you guys, and I'm just taking the shower cap off. And let me tell y'all, when I put my hands at the top of my hair, like, it felt so soft and so good already. Like, let me tell y'all, I wish I could take your hand through the screen so you could feel how amazing my curls felt, and just raking my fingers through, like they were just gliding right through. Like there were no snags, no nothing. So in terms of like a good detangling deep conditioner, like this is definitely at the top of the list in my opinion. But now I'm gonna rinse it off and we can get into my final thoughts. So it's now the next day. I did my hair after obviously I used the deep conditioner and everything like that. Did my wash and go, same wash and go that you guys saw from day 1 of CURLSMAS. But I just wanted to hop on camera and kind of just give you guys my final thoughts. So all in all, I was pretty impressed with this hair mask. One, I feel like it works as a great detangling hair mask. Like, it has a lot of slip. I mean, it's not like super slippery, but as soon as you apply it to your hair, since it's so creamy and it's so smooth into your hair, it kind of just works those tangles right out. And like I mentioned it earlier, like I didn't even detangle my hair at all before applying this, so I was really impressed with how well it detangled my hair. And then I feel like for the amount that you get, this is a 16-ounce jar and it's only $8.99 $4.99, so that's really nice. I feel like you get a lot. It's a really good value. In terms of like, does it actually repair your split ends? No, this mask will not repair your split ends, but what it's really saying that it'll do is it'll strengthen your hair, so that way you don't have as much breakage, and then that way split ends won't form as much. So that's kind of what it's leaning towards. I mean, and this video isn't sponsored, but I would definitely recommend that you guys try it out. The only critique that I have is that I wish it was more accessible in stores and that it wasn't only available in Walmart. I don't know if Body Works signed like an exclusivity like contract with Walmart or whatever, but I hope that contract ends soon and then they can finally bring this line into Target, into CVS, into basically drugstores and wherever they sell their product all around. That way you don't always have to buy it online, because I know buying products online can be a pain. I mean, it was nice that when I did buy this, it was on sale, so I didn't even get it for the full price. I think I got it for under $6, which makes me even happier. And a little bit does go a long way, so this mask will last you a long time. And if you're the type of person like me who likes to use a deep conditioner as your conditioner, like, you won't run out of it that quickly, because a little bit goes a long way. This is as much as I used. I don't know if you can really tell, but yeah, and I probably didn't even need to use as much as I did when I was using it, but I just got really happy because it was just, you know, detangling my hair so nicely. But all in all, I would definitely recommend that you guys try it out. I hope you can get your hands on it. This mask is so great, and it's definitely a mask that surely impressed me recently. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, you're a real one, and be sure to comment the word marshmallow down below, just because it's the almond marshmallow hair mask. So yeah, comment the word marshmallow down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. It really helps me out. And be sure to subscribe. I will love you if you do. I won't hate you if you don't, but I will love you if you do. And be sure to share this with a friend as well. But thank you guys so much for watching me and my hair scarf glory and all my hair scarf glory. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.